Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 23, OV 34. नाही केवळ सूचन केले, निवारणार्थ उपायही योजिले. नको म्हणता गळी बांधले, संकटी रक्षिले मिरीकरा. Not only did he warn him, but provided the means to avert the danger by forcing Shama's company in spite of his disinclination, and protected Mirikar from the danger. बाबा भक्त कल्याण तत्पर, बाळासाहेब मिरीकर, टाळूनी त्याचे गंडांतर, अनुभव विचित्र दाविला. Baba, ever ready for the welfare of the devotees, saved Bala Sahib Mirikar from the calamity and gave him a wonderful experience. त्याहुनी पहा श्यामाची स्थिती, सर्पदंश होनी अवचिती, जीव जगण्याची आशाही नव्हती, केली निर्मुक्ती बाबांनी. Compared to that, see Shama's state. He was unexpectedly bitten by a snake and there was no hope for his life. Baba saved him from that. तीही एक बाबांची लीला, कथू आधी श्रोतयाला. विखारा जरी होता डंखला, उपाय केला काय पहा. This was also a leela of Baba. I shall narrate it first to the listeners. Though a snake had bitten, see what remedy was used. साताचिया सुमाराला, हाताचिया करंगळीला, एकाएकी साप डसला, भाग झाला विषदग्ध. Around 7 o'clock, a snake suddenly bit the small finger of Shama, and that part became full of poison. वेदना असह्य अत्यंत, होऊ पाहे प्राणांत, माधवराव झाले भयभीत, चिंतायुक्त अंतरी. The pain was excruciating and life seemed to be ebbing out. Madhavrao was frightened and worried. अंग त्याचे लाल झाले, आप्त स्नेही सर्व मिळाले, विरोबाकडे चला म्हणाले, संकटी पडले जीवित. His body turned red. Friends and relatives gathered and said, "Let us go to Viroba," losing hope of his survival. निमोणकर ही पुढे आले, उदी घेऊन जावे म्हणाले. माधवराव मशिदी धावले, काय केले बाबांनी. Nimonkar also came forward and said that he should take Udi and go, but Madhav Rao ran to the masjid. See what Baba did. होता बाबांची नजरा नजर, पहा बाबांचा चमत्कार, शिव्या देऊ लागले अनिवार, नेदीत वर येऊ त्या. No sooner than Baba saw him see Baba's Leela, he started profusely abusing and did not permit him to come up. चढू नको भटुरड्यावर, चढशील तर खबरदार, चल निघ जा खाली उतर, केली दीर्घस्वर गर्जना. Do not climb up, vile priest, don't you dare to climb. Get out, get down, was the long-drawn shout. अत्यद्भुत बाबा कोपले, आग अकल्पित पाखडीचे झाले, माधवराव चकित झाले, किमर्थ ताडिले कटुवचे. Baba got angry beyond imagination, flaring up unnecessarily and unexpectedly. Madhav Rao was amazed. Why was he being punished with these strong words?